Hi! Welcome back on how-to and video tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and effective DIY face mask, using ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. The face mask consists of honey, oatmeal, and plain yogurt. This mask is great for all skin types, whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin. So, let's get started. First, grab a small mixing bowl and add in 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps to moisturize and hydrate the skin. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great ingredient for sensitive skin types as it soothes and calms irritated skin. It's also an effective exfoliant that helps to remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin. Finally, add in 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin and helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also contains probiotics which help to balance the skin's microbiome. Once all the ingredients are in the mixing bowl, you can also use a spoon to mix everything together until it forms a smooth paste. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a few drops of water to thin it out. Now, it's time to apply the mask. Make sure your face is clean and dry before applying the mask. Use your fingers or a brush to apply the mask all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Once the mask is applied, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the mask will work its magic and help to hydrate and nourish your skin. You can sit back and relax, read a book or watch your favorite show. After 10 to 15 minutes, it's time to rinse off the mask. Use warm water to gently wash off the mask, using circular motions to exfoliate your skin. Once you've rinsed off the mask, pat your face dry with a towel. And there you have it, a simple and effective DIY face mask that's easy to make and great for your skin. Your skin should feel soft, hydrated, and glowing after using this mask. Thanks for watching and don't forget to give this DIY face mask a try.